We've been talking about how we identify girls who are autistic, because actually they're really tricky to spot quite if they have a female presentation that's quite typical. Um, they obviously mask very, very well. They have incredible social skills, and so we've been talking about that, and also the delay in maturity in certain things and independence. And we've been talking about their abilities as well, and when it's easier to pick up autism and when it's more tricky. When you're throwing sort of learning difficulties into the mix as well. We also looked at the boys versus girls representation, and also the research and the fact that the research is very biased towards the male presentation. We don't have enough research that is promoting awareness and acceptance of the female presentation. We also spoke about other things, so puberty, menopause, pregnancy, all these sorts of things, and sensory, and how sensory affects girls.